Well, we just heard a big bang. Well, we're off on our first adventure of 2018. Got up bright and early. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. Where are we going, Lisa?
Virginia.
Yeah, going to see some friends for the 4th of July. Well, we just heard a big bang, and then it's hissing coming from the front of the RV. Only thing up here is air conditioner. Oh man, look at all the dye. Holy cow. Oh, it's dripping off the... Something exploded. Man, it's a little hot not to have air conditioning. I don't know if a hose blew or the condenser blew. Sure did blow good though. Well, one good thing about it, we're gonna just start up the generator and use the roof air. Man, what a day we had. We're set up in a KOA. At least we got some shade. So, but it is 7 o'clock. So first thing that happened is our air conditioner blew out. You can still see some of the residue. What a mess in there. There she is, Anna Banana Head. Was it hot in there today? It was hot, wasn't it? Even with the air conditioning. Yes, it was. This should be standard on every RV. I'm telling you, none of them do it. But check this out. When you open up the doors, the light automatically turns on. I put a little clicker switch up in the top, and each cabinet has got it, and it turns on the lights for the whole run. I still have the rest of the cabinets to do. This one doesn't have a light in it yet. That one doesn't have a light in it. That one doesn't, and neither does the front one up front. And we've been on the road all day. We did almost 500 miles, and I was planning on getting here around 3:30. We're hooked up, full hookup, so gonna make some dinner and wind on down. Okay, we're waiting for our friend to come. They got their spot right next door. They should be here today around 3:30. That's gonna be their spot right there. You know him? Yeah, I know them. Our friends finally got here, and we're getting ready to cook dinner. So check this out. I got this apparatus. This is a tripod barbecue grill, and we got a charcoal in our provided basket there from KOA. You can get it at Walmart for like 20 bucks. I think we paid like 40 bucks for it. It works really good. You can lower and raise the rack up. It's great. So we're on our way to Stewart, Virginia to see a friend of ours that's kind of special because she actually introduced Lisa and I together many years ago. So we're cutting through the Blue Ridge Mountains. The temperature has dropped significantly. I was complaining that it's been too hot this whole trip. It's probably mid 50s, but check out the view behind me. It's very, very windy. They had a storm come through last night, and it's misting still this morning. So, but I'm gonna get back on the road. I should have brought a jacket. It's with our friend Bobby. So what did I end up fixing today?
What did you fix today?
The printer.
Yeah.
The telephone.
The telephone. Yeah. You were only here how many minutes?
Yeah, I know. Well, thank you.
And you bought me lunch.
There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. You're welcome.
All right, we stopped along, thanks to Jeb Stewart Highway, and got a pretty good view up here. I think it's only at 3,000 foot elevation, but we stopped at a roadside. It's like a farmer's market type thing. Lisa's in there trying to see if she can get some good tasting tomatoes, along with some other vegetables and fruits and stuff that we need.
in there.
Oh, really?
They're that big.
Jawbreakers that big?
Jawbreakers.
Wow.
I don't even know if you can get them in your mouth.
Did you get any? Just really nice. Blue Ridge Mountains. Oh, that's a good one. The reason why we picked this KOA is because they have a whole bunch of activities for the kids to do. Let's check it out. We got this awesome playground for the kids outside fishing in that pond. So that's pretty cool. Oh, check this out. We got some deer running through the park. If you're into miniature golf, they have a giant sized miniature golf field. Housed inside the metal building is the Family Fun Center. And you can see it there. They have a bowling alley, batting cages, arcade games. They got a restaurant in here that makes pizza and wings, and it looks like they deliver. Behind me is a place where you can pan for gold. I doubt you're gonna find gold, but you can get minerals. Now I know a lot of campgrounds have pools, but this place has a pool, yeah, with a water slide. They have beanbag toss. They got their own basketball area, so that's pretty cool. And we also have, behind me is the volleyball net. Now come on, you know Anna's coming over here. If you didn't see the Getting Dogs Ready for RV Travel, you need to check that video out. I'll put a link down in the description. Yeah, we're gonna get Anna to play volleyball at a real volleyball net. All right, they have a Gaga ball pit. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know exactly what that is. If you guys know what that is or seen that thing before, leave a message in the comments. I'd like to know what it actually is. They just have so many activities here for the kids to do. It's pretty cool. I just talked to the girl in the office and she showed me some pictures of fish that have come out of here, some catfish that are about 2.5 to 3 feet long. Giant sized catfish. I thought the garfish in the Blue Springs video were big. This is crazy. We're down at the pond with Noah.
Hi.
Legend is there's a 3-foot catfish in this lake. You gonna catch it?
I'm gonna try.
So how long you been fishing for?
A couple years at least, probably like 3-4 years maybe.
I consider you an expert. Hey Noah.
Yeah?
The girl at the office told me a little secret.
What?
You need to use hot dogs.
I knew it. I have some really, really stinky hot dogs.
Oh, I don't know about that, but
Catfish, they love smelly
yeah,
fish,
that's what they said. Catfish love hot dogs, or
Yep.
at least the ones in this lake. The reason why we picked this KOA, besides the kids have a lot of activities to do, is because they have, well, Camp Canine. This campground not only has a Camp Canine, it has 2 Camp Canines. Well, we just got done doing beach ball with Anna, and look what Lisa's got. What do you got, Lisa?
A popped beach ball.
Hey, do you know how that happened? Another beach ball gone. It's July 8th, Sunday, so it's kind of a sad day today because we're packing up and leaving. It's kind of a weird feeling when you put your awning in, your whole campsite looks a little different. Gonna get the car hooked up and get ready to get on the road. Well, we're on our way home from our trip up to Virginia. We had a pretty good time, despite having air conditioner explode. But at least we know it's a simple fix, just a new hose and 6 pounds of Freon. But all in all, it turned out pretty good. Met up with some friends, did a lot of relaxing. It's pretty excellent. And Lisa's over there holding the seat down with Anna. So all in all, it was a pretty good 4th of July. And I hope you liked the video. And if you did, hit the subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And give it a thumbs up. Thank you.